What's up, guys? Tony Ramirez here, and welcome to The Garage. If you're into turning wrenches, fixing up cars, or just keeping your ride in top shape, you're in the right spot. I drop real-world tips, no fluff, just what actually works. So hit that like button, smash subscribe, and let's wrench smarter, not harder. All right, enough intro. Let's jump right in.
Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm diving into the world of car sharing and how it works. If you've ever wondered how you can access a vehicle without the hassle of ownership, you're in the right place. I'll break down the process from signing up for a service to picking up and returning a car. We'll also explore the benefits of car sharing and how it can save you money and reduce your carbon footprint. So, let's get started and discover how this innovative transportation solution can work for you. Find the best garage to repair your car. See Garage's car sharing involves making a single vehicle available to several drivers. Drivers can use it whenever they like, generally on a self-service basis and without reservation, except in the still rare case of car sharing between private individuals. Car sharing services have developed in France's major urban areas. The French Transport Code defines car sharing as the pooling of a vehicle or a fleet of vehicles for the benefit of subscribers or users authorized by the organization or person managing the vehicles. Each subscriber or authorized user has access to a driverless vehicle for the journey of his or her choice and for a limited period of time. Carpooling does not meet the definition of car sharing. Its principle is to group together to use a single car to make a joint journey. Car sharing, on the other hand, means that each driver can use the same car separately to make the journey of his or her choice. A car-sharing service can be set up by a company or association, or by a local authority. There are also several types of car sharing, self-service being the most widespread. Here are the main types of car sharing: loop car sharing, free-floating car sharing between private individuals. In any case, to rent a car-sharing vehicle, you need to register with the service of your choice. Find out about the different services in your city. For example, there are several car-sharing companies in Paris: ShareNow, Ziddy, Free2Move and the Mobilib service, which depends on 4 different operators. Rental conditions and rates depend on each operator, so you'll need to compare them to make your choice. However, competition means that prices are generally quite similar. Find the best garage to repair your car. See Garages. The French Transport Code defines car sharing as the pooling of a vehicle or a fleet of vehicles for the benefit of subscribers or users authorized by the organization or person managing the vehicles. Each subscriber or authorized user has access to a driverless vehicle for the journey of his or her choice and for a limited period of time. Loop car sharing. With loop car sharing, you don't need to make a reservation. A website or mobile application lets you find an available vehicle nearby and pick it up. Cars are parked at car sharing stations located throughout the area or conurbation. Loop car sharing is particularly practical if you need a vehicle only for a short time. Trips are generally of fairly long duration, by the half-day or day. They are often billed by the hour, although invoicing always depends on the operator. Free-floating car sharing. Another type of car sharing, free-floating, also allows you to borrow a car without a reservation, but the cars are not parked at specific stations. You can simply geolocate the nearest vehicle. To complete your rental, you park it in a parking space on the surface, not underground. Carpooling does not meet the definition of car sharing. Its principle is to group together to use a single car to make a joint journey. Car sharing, on the other hand, means that each driver can use the same car separately to make the journey of his or her choice. Private car sharing between private individuals remains very marginal today, but is beginning to develop. It can be done without an intermediary, i.e., with acquaintances or with an intermediary via a platform that handles billing. You can sign up to rent a car and the platform will pay you. The main disadvantage of car sharing is the need to reserve a vehicle in advance and specify a rental period. But while car sharing is usually reserved for large conurbations, this principle of private hire means you can enjoy it just about anywhere. Car sharing and insurance. How does it work? Find the best garage to repair your car. See Garages. The main advantage of car sharing is environmental. By sharing a car, you limit CO2 emissions and reduce the car's carbon footprint. Car sharing also helps to limit the size of the urban fleet. From a very practical point of view, car sharing also frees up some of the parking space occupied by private cars. When you take a car-sharing car, you also benefit from parking facilities, thanks to the car-sharing label, reserved spaces in urban areas at preferential rates. Last but not least, car sharing is economical, as the user does not have to pay for insurance and maintenance. You don't have to pay for the car, and you can use it whenever you need it. Now you know all about car sharing and how it works. This mode of mobility, which has developed considerably in recent years, helps to reduce CO2 emissions and improve traffic flow on the congested road network of major conurbations. It's also an interesting alternative for drivers who don't want to pay for a private car. Find the best garage to repair your car, visit Carsharing or carpooling. How Carsharing works. Carsharing insurance. Carsharing advantages. Find the best garage to repair your car. In conclusion, car-sharing offers a flexible and convenient alternative to traditional car ownership, allowing users to access vehicles on demand while promoting sustainability and reducing urban congestion. By understanding how it works, from booking a car to returning it, you can make informed choices that fit your lifestyle and contribute to a greener future. Whether you're looking for a quick ride or a longer journey, car-sharing provides an innovative solution that meets the needs of modern transportation. Thank you for watching, and we hope you feel inspired to explore the benefits of car sharing in your community.